Friends and welcome to my channel, and the video on this how to make Power Ranger Dino Charge or Kyogre Morpher of Gold Ranger will be out soon. So please subscribe to my channel, and I'm targeting at least 200 likes on this video. Like this video, share it with your friends. Dino Chargers, engage. Fire. To make a Dino Charger or battery from Kyogre, take a cardboard, cut out a square of 6.5 or 7 centimeter. Then roll it as shown in the video. After rolling it completely, stick it either with tape or paste it with glue. Suggest you to use super glue as it provides grip to the cylindrical shape of Dino Charge. Now trace the openings of the cylinder, which is circle in shape. Then cut out the circle and stick it with tape or paste it with a glue. By referring the original image, draw like these parts and cut it out. Then paste it one by one on the cylindrical shape. You can refer the original image of a Dino Charger and paste it one by one. Firstly, sticks the side of the cylinders. You can notice that it gives a 3D look to the Dino Charger. Then followed it by pasting the spikes on the top of the Dino Charger. You have to trace another copy of it to make it thick. Then stick the two spikes together. Then paste it on the top of the Dino Charger. Then stick the upper and the lower jaw of the dinosaur. Then you can notice that after pasting it gives a 3D look. Print an image of a Dino Charger, then cut its dinosaur part and paste it in between the center of the Dino Charger. We are making Gold Ranger Dino Charger, so we are pasting the image of Petranodon, and in Sentai it sounds different. Like for red, it is somewhat Gabrincho or dot. I have also added two small cylinders. It is negligible. If you want, you can also make small cylinders and stick it with tape. Cover whole Dino Charge with white paper to provide thickness. Then by referring the original image, draw the parts which are to be colored. Color it with silver color on the spikes and the respective mouth and lower jaw part, leaving the center of the part of the Dino Charger. Whole Dino Charge is of silver color and somewhat portion in center of the Dino Charger is of gold color. Paint it carefully, and I suggest you to paint it after doing a perfect marking so that the paint should not come out of that portion. After that, paint it with golden color. You can see that after tracing the outline, I have painted with golden color also. Now cut out the previous printout image, then cut out its part, gather it and paste it with glue. Number 6 of Terrazot. So paste it one by one carefully, and I have again printed an bigger image of a gold Dino Charger so that it should perfectly fits on my Dino Charger. Or going out of size, then print an bigger image, or you can use the method by printing out the image first, then trace it the different parts of spikes, the mouth, and paste it. So these steps will also be helpful for you. You can see that our Dino Charger is ready with Lightning Collection Gold Ranger from Dino Charge. Video of Morpher will be out soon. Please share, subscribe and like my channel, and if you want this video to be translated in Hindi, so please comment it below. These types of video takes a lot of effort to make it, so please share it with your friends and family members.